Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my video, and today I am going to show you how to play Among Us. So guys, in Among Us we'll be playing either as an imposter or as a crewmate. So guys, as a crewmate, our main aim should be to complete all the tasks and to find the imposter. And as an imposter, our main aim should be to kill the crewmates, sabotage and win. So guys, that is the basic concept of the Among Us game. So I'll give you a gameplay tutorial right now. So guys, I'll join a random room here. Just wait. Yeah guys, so this is how it looks like when you enter a game. So if you move towards this laptop grid, you can customize your character. And yeah, so let's wait for more people to join. So yeah guys, the game's gonna start. So yeah, I am going to play as a crewmate now. So guys, you can view the map when you click this map icon below this settings icon. If you click that, you can see where all do you have the task. Okay, so as you can see, I have 4 tasks right now. So this is how we do a task. And guys, these tasks are easy to complete. Okay, and also guys, we have 4 different visual tasks in this map. One is in storage. This task is a visual task, and the other one is in shield. That is this one. Okay, I have this task, so I will do it and show you guys. So guys, as you can see, this it will show an animation. That's why it is called a visual task. So guys, if an imposter does this task, though there won't be any animation, so we can be sure that he's an imposter because he's faking the task, as there is no animation. So guys, if you have a visual task, you should do it in front of somebody so that he can vouch for you in the emergency chat. But I missed that opportunity. And guys, we have security cameras in some areas in this map, and we can access them when we go to security. I will show you guys. Just a second. So yeah guys, this is called the security, and if you go there, we can see a security button, and if you click that, you can view 4 different places. So yeah guys, if anybody kills here, we can actually catch them red-handed. So yeah, red killed me, and yellow reported. So guys, if you see a dead body, you should report it. So guys, as you know, yellow just saw the body and red was walking out of the security. So yeah, yellow caught red doing it. And guys, if you got killed, don't worry, you still can play as a ghost. Ghost can do tasks, but they cannot chat with these people, but they can chat with the other ghost. That's how it is. You can still complete the task and win as a ghost. So that's what I'm telling you. Complete the task every time. Okay guys, so yeah, that's much about playing as a crewmate. Now I will show you how to play as an imposter. Yeah, so guys, now I am an imposter. So guys, there are two imposters in this game. One is me and the other one is white. So guys, this is called the admin, and here you can view the admin map. In the admin map, you can know how many people are there in a specific location. So yeah, we don't need that right now because it's a crewmate thing. So what an imposter does is he does the sabotage. So guys, yeah, if you click the sabotage button, the sabotage map will appear. So guys, as you can see, there are cross symboled icons. They are used to close doors, while the other icons are used to sabotage a task. So guys, if an imposter sabotage a particular task, the crewmate must complete it within the given time limit. So guys, if they don't, the imposters will win. That's how it is. And I forgot about telling you guys the other two visual tasks. This one is in medbay and it is called scan. As you can see, a green circle animation, and this one is in weapons and it is called asteroids, and you can see a shooting animation outside the spaceship. And this one is trash, and I have already showed you this, but I haven't showed the animation because I didn't have this task. So guys, you can see this trash animation outside the spaceship too. So guys, that's much about playing Among Us. So guys, if you like this video, please like and also subscribe this channel, and if you have any queries, you can post a comment below. And yeah guys, thanks so much for watching.